Right there.
Sorry,
Is it filming?
Go up in the air.
Yes.
Okay.
I may need someone to help me keep upright.
What?
Okay, Cam, you...
Oh, God, right here. Here it is.
You want me to push you?
A little bit. Like, not like jam me in there, but...
Okay, do it again, do it again.
I gotta find my hole. Here it is, right here. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. That was awesome.
Yeah.
You getting a right that it's gonna solidify, and you're just gonna be like,
Oh my God, my hair.
Yeah, you might want to rinse it out.